Hello viewers, welcome to Bongo Indian Cooking. Today I will share with you cheesy mushroom paneer recipe. For making this recipe, I took 200 grams mushroom, 1 shredded onion, 1 sliced green chili, 1 inch ginger, few sticks of cinnamon, 1 star anise, 3 cardamom and 2 long. Turn on the heat, put a kadai, add a tablespoon cooking oil. After oil is hot, add half a teaspoon cumin seed. Over low heat, saute for few seconds until it color change. Then add a star anise, few sticks of cinnamon, 3 cardamom and 2 long. Saute until it's fragrant. Then add the shredded onion along with pieces of ginger and the sliced green chili. Now over medium to low heat, stir for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add a teaspoon coriander powder and half a teaspoon red chili powder, half a teaspoon turmeric powder. Cook for 2 minutes. Stir continuously over low flame. Then add 20 to 25 fried cashew nut. Fry the cashew nut with onion for 2 minutes over low flame. Then transfer into a grinder jar. Add little water and blend into smooth paste. In the same kadai, add 20 ml oil. Then add 7 to 8 chopped garlic cloves. After color change, add shredded mushroom. On medium to high flame, stir the mushroom continuously for 2 minutes. When water will release from mushroom, then add black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper and half a teaspoon salt. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes on medium to high flame. Then add previously prepared masala of onion, ginger and whole spice. Mix well mushroom with masala and cook for 2 minutes on medium to low flame. Now add some water. I took half glass of water. When gravy starts boiling, then add some paneer cube. I took 100 grams paneer cube. Add it and mix well. Then add a tablespoon of homemade khawa khir. Mix well and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on medium to high flame. Stir continuously. See, our yummy cheesy mushroom recipe is ready for serving. It's so delicious. Try once. If you think my recipe is helpful to you, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.